Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your SSL pending errors on your Shopify. So first of all, you want to go ahead to your settings on Shopify and click on domains right here and choose a domain which you want to fix the errors. So for example, I'm just going to choose this one, and if you see any errors right there, you're going to fix them, and then your SSL error should be fixed also. But if you don't see anything here, you want to go ahead to the website where you bought your domain. If you bought it straight on Shopify, then that's that. But if you bought it, for example, I bought this one on Namecheap, and here you can actually fix the SSL errors. So here you can actually redirect URL, but you want to disable them. So you want to remove any redirects from here if you have any. So this is step one. Now another step would be to go to your advanced DNS settings and check for any conflicting records. As you can see right there, this is the conflicting records. You will find them right here on advanced settings. It's basically the same on any other domain website like GoDaddy or any other. So you can also find the DNS settings somewhere, and if there are some conflictions, you want to delete them. Now, when you removed all the redirects and so on, you want to wait a little bit and again go to your Shopify, refresh it. If the errors are still there, just wait a few hours. But basically, that should fix your problem. If not, you want to go ahead and contact the Shopify customer support. And now when you go to the Shopify Help Center, you want to go ahead and ask assistant anything, or you can also try and find something here on recommended articles. So yeah guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.